Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's me, Michelle. So I did a video on how to use stickers that you don't like, and I don't know where it's at. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. So basically I just made some template kind of stuff. Well, not templates, I just made like worksheets and this happy planner. And this one is basically like how to do me time. So I just use some of like these stickers here. A lot of this is from like the student book. The colorful boxes, the second one, I don't really like the second colorful boxes. And so I just use some of the things that, I don't even drink coffee. My sister likes coffee. I don't really drink coffee. And so here is this. It says journal daily. I do like this little journal. It reminds me of the 5-star composition notebook. And I just have some things to do. And it says, don't stress, do your best and forget the rest. Killing it busy, 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 relax, as a reminder. So again, these are stickers that I don't really use. Then on the back, oh yeah, this is for goals. So I just kind of like did this goal sheet with, again, stickers I don't use. And I just have like some weight loss goals, some activities that you can do. One is a do by. And I just really went ham on the cactuses and the leaves. And then I just put things I want to do: weigh weekly, measure weekly accountability, and some priorities. 16 glasses of water, a gallon. Water daily. I put the OMG because it's not always easy doing that. And I just have some top priorities: be kind, stay focused, keto, raw, vegan, walk it out for walking. So this is what this one looks like. And again, these are the colorful boxes because I don't really like the colorful, like the second one. I love I like some of the second ones, not a lot of them. Like these colors to me are not cute, and I don't know why. Let me see if I turn this on so maybe you can see, like, even with the flash on, these colors are not really the best. And so like I like these colors, I just don't like the colorway. Like I like them kind of separately. I don't like them together. I don't like this color at all. And this color is in these, which is why I think I don't like them. And like I don't like this color. But this is how I decided to like use some of these stickers. And I'll probably just like give some of them away because I'm not going to be like making a lot of these. But I do have these in my, like, this little like planner that I put together that is going to hold, like, as we get cloth and paper, like monthlies. I still don't really know. I use them to like make videos, honestly, because I really don't know what to do with them. So you guys, this is how I use stickers that I don't really care for, or how you can use stickers that you don't really care for. You can like make little cute stuff like this, so it's palatable, and so it's like, oh, I like them because they have a purpose in my planner. And I do, again, I made this like 2 weeks ago and I still do reference it now. So it does work to be like, oh, what are some quick things that I can do? These are things I do at least once a week for myself. But these like some quick things that I can do. And like, how can I de-stress? Like how my goals, like my weight loss goals. And you can do like a sheet like this for every goal that you have. But this one gets basically for weight loss. All right, you guys, I'm not going to make this long video. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Whenever you're watching this, remember, don't let life happen to you. You happen to life. Rate with a thumbs up. Comment down below. And subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Peace.